guys, so I'm just doing an unboxing, but I'm doing a review as well of the other battery that I got. So far what I've been doing is going down the line kind of thing. So I'm going from cheap to cheaper and cheaper. So I want to see at what point can you get the cheapest battery and still, or one of the most expensive batteries right here that you can get on Amazon that are generic brands and not something from the company itself. So far this would be the third battery that I'm buying, and third or fourth battery, something like that. Let me just take this one out. So this one was the previous one. Now this one I bought because it didn't have that many reviews, but at the same time it wasn't the best or worst. It was just middle-ish. And before this one I got another one that had a lot more reviews, more trustworthy that way because I saw all those reviews on it, so I decided to get that one. But you know, this one that had less than half of the reviews of the other one still got the job done. So this lasted 6 months. And the other one that was actually a lot more expensive than this one, almost double the price, again only lasted 6 months. Now this guy right here, I think this one was around 30 bucks, and this one went all the way down to 20 bucks. So I did manage to get the cheapest one out there to see if it's also gonna last for the 6 months. But anyways, around the battery, you won't see much. There isn't that much information about it. Here's the connection. We're just gonna plug that in. We're just gonna put this back. And obviously, after, who knows, maybe another 6 months, I'm gonna make another review. But usually, by the time I get to review like the last battery, like this one, then it's no longer online. So this brand is done. And so is the brand before even this one. So I got another brand. It's also gone. So technically it could be the same company that's making just different batteries, cheaper batteries. And the reason why they're gone from Amazon is because sometimes they tell you they have a 2-year warranty or a year warranty. And so, you know, before something happens and too many people start complaining after, you know, the 6 months, then they just disappear, which makes sense. But really all they should say is that their warranties for 6 months, because that's how long this will last. And I'm hoping for this really cheap one that I just installed, it's also gonna last those 6 months. We'll see. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.